Hey there, Chet here. If you've been exploring CRM and sales automation tools, you've probably come across HubSpot more than once. It is one of the most popular platforms out there for managing customer relationships, generating leads, and building scalable sales pipelines. In this video, I will break down everything that you need to know about HubSpot, its features, strengths, weak spots, pricing, and more. So without further delay, let's get started. First off, let's talk about what HubSpot is. It's an all-in-one CRM platform that helps sales, marketing, and customer service teams. Now, the best part is how it brings everything together in one simple system. You get email tracking, pipeline management, meeting tools, automation, and reports all in one convenient place. Let's talk about those features. In the Sales Hub, you get access to a visual pipeline where you can track deal stages, set tasks, and follow up with leads all in one place. The built-in email tool lets you send and track messages, create templates, and even automate sequences. You also get meeting links, call recording, document tracking, and integration with Gmail and Outlook. For teams that need advanced control, there are tools for playbooks, custom reports, forecasting, and quote generation. What's more, HubSpot connects seamlessly with hundreds of apps, including Slack, Zoom, and Stripe, making it a true hub for your entire sales process. Now, one of the biggest strengths of HubSpot is its user experience. That interface is clean and intuitive, and even people who've never used a CRM before can get up and running and up to speed pretty quick. It's also highly customizable, meaning that you can shape it around your sales process rather than changing your process to fit the software. HubSpot is especially useful for growing businesses that want one platform to manage everything from lead generation to closing deals without having to juggle multiple tools. But of course, HubSpot is not perfect. One common issue is that the pricing can jump up fast as your needs grow. While the free version is great for basic CRM use, once you add multiple users or you need more advanced automation and reporting, the costs can add up quickly. Also, while the platform is powerful, some of the more advanced customizations can take a bit of time to figure out. Things like setting up complex workflows or adding custom objects that might need some extra help from their onboarding team. Now let's take a look at its pricing. HubSpot offers two main paid plans for the Sales Hub. The professional plan starts at $90 per user per month, offering full sales automation and scaling tools. And the enterprise plan starts at $150 per user per month and includes advanced control, reporting, and flexibility for large organizations. Both require annual commitments, and the pricing scales depending on team size and selected features. So overall, HubSpot is a strong option for businesses that want a flexible and easy-to-use sales platform that grows with them. If you're ready to automate more of your sales process, boost team productivity, and get better visibility into your pipeline, HubSpot can be a smart investment. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.